Are you sure I'm correct so far?
Yes,
Yep.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, y plus.
You tell me why plus.
Ma'am, it should be minus, then only we can find. Okay, simplify. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
E.
Oh, yes, ma'am. 180 minus 40 minus 40.
Yes, 180 minus 80.
40 plus
100.
40 is 80. 180 minus 80 is? It is
100.
adding. It is addition on this side. When it goes on the other side of equation, equal to what will happen?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Is it correct so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to give you 2 minutes. You children help me solve it. Open your notebook. Quickly draw this and solve this. Fast, quickly. You have 2 minutes to fatafat copy it, or 1 minute and you will be able to solve it on your own. But I want these steps entirely. Full steps. Draw line AB. You have these lines making these two angles. First, draw
Ma'am, we
the
can
diagram.
start.
Drawing diagram should be perfection. It cannot be done with bare hands and written again and again. You draw like this one and like this one. This cannot be an angle. And then you cannot draw the line like this. This is not a line. Please. Diagrams must be done with neat work. You have 1.5 minutes left if you are actually copying.
Ma'am, can you show the down?
Is this X, ma'am?
No.
Wait, there is no X anywhere.
Okay. What is your?
Don't imagine
Ma'am.
the sum from your textbook. No. Don't look at the sums in your textbook. Do this first.
Ma'am, I'm still drawing the diagram.
Vanity 40, 40, 100.
Done?
No.
Ma'am.
Drawing the diagram should be fatafat if you have proper practice.
Ma'am, can you show down?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am.
go down? No.
यार अभी क्या कॉपी करना है अपने से करो. By now you should be able to do it on your own.
I'm doing my own. I'm done.
Done.
Yeah? Okay, good.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
इतना दूर समझ में आया?
No. Yes.
You see how quickly we were able to solve this sum?
But this one was not like G.
What, Pranav? What was not on?
Ma'am, there were more angles.
Where?
Ma'am, that one angle was 40, one was 75.
Haan, to wait, no, we'll do those sums. Don't worry.
Yes.
Copy
Done, ma'am.
and
Ma'am, can you show the diagram 1 minute?
I've changed the diagram now.
Okay.
What you want, Ranbir? I've done it.
Tanishka, are you
Nothing,
done?
nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That is your next sum. Let's see how you solve it. Do it on your own. Jaldi se. I want it exactly as per the steps we have done right now. Literally, you only have to look at the sums. See the steps that you've just now written. Replace it with these angles. Let's see how you do it. Jaldi, jaldi. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve the sum.
Ma'am, when you are saying this dialogue now, I miss Bihan. Jaldi,
Okay.
jaldi.
20 seconds gone. Jaldi.
Ma'am.
Arey,
Ma'am, what are you doing?
whether you
Like
call me
this?
20 times or one time, 20 seconds gone means 20 seconds gone.
Ma'am.
Quiet, quiet, keep doing it.
Only you have to change the angle.
हो गया क्या?
Yes.
Ma'am, just a minute, just a minute.
Just a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Prana, be quiet. Don't give the answer right now. Guys, are you all solving or Pranav is just extra fast? What is it?
Now he have done,
No.
ma'am. He was just writing it. Even I know the answer, but I am writing.
Oh my
Yes.
God. Good girl, good girl. Very good.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, कब भी हो?
Mata ka lido dasto.
Shh, no fighting. Hey, both of you.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 minutes. I'm on the answer. I'm subtracting.
Okay.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, no, wait, last. Okay.
Arrow angle DCA equals 60. I didn't write ACD.
Ma'am, I also wrote the same. Yeah, I've did this. Oh yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
No.
Yeah. Ma'am, wrong.
Oh,
100.
thank you.
100.
Yes, ma'am. Answer is
The
80.
answer is 80.
Yes.
Well,
Oh,
correct.
thank God you guys saved me, huh?
Eight
Yes,
answer, ma'am.
correct,
हो गया?
ma'am. Correct.
All
Yes,
correct?
हो
So
गया.
far correct?
Yes.
Ma'am.
So far,
So far correct?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Yes.
also
Kanishka, so
correct.
far correct?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Alphabet answer is 80.
in the world, ma'am.
Ma'am, question 3.
Ah, it is simple. Ma'am, give us questions.
Ma'am,
Simple, very
Yeah.
simple.
no, I will done all the sums.
Super.
यहाँ पे क्यों बैठा है? क्यों
Ma'am,
क्यों बैठा है?
very
झूठ
Ma'am,
में।
shows the diagram.
Simple, dimple. Oh,
मैं तो तुमसे तामन
ma'am, I
कैसे
can't hurt you.
मैम ने बस वो डायग्राम को उल्टा कर दिया.
Yes,
Guys,
it's
quietly solve it. जितना कम बात करोगे उतना ज्यादा solve करोगे. जितना बकबक करोगे उतना कम solve होगा. You have 2 minutes, solve this. 2 minutes. I'll just clean my duster and come. 2 minutes. I don't want anyone talking to each other. I'm not going to put off your mic and all. But don't talk to each other. Quietly solve this. This time, I have mentioned this as X instead of question mark.
Okay, let's do it.
Ma'am, what is measure of that all points?
Ah, wait.
180.
Yes, what is measure? No.
Ah,
See, ma'am, what is that measure of
Yes, ma'am.
45 ka angle?
This is 45.
Yeah, it should be C something. Yes. Ah, now it's correct.
Oh my God, attentive class and all too much. अरे बारिश
Yes.
शुरू हो जाएगा. My God, I'm impressed and all. Huh?
No, oh no. Is equals to x. Okay.
Shush. Shh. Shh.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Solve it with brains, not with mouth.
Okay, ma'am.
Ranveer, are you done?
Yes, done, ma'am.
Subhan, are you done?
Ma'am, I'm subtracting.
Are you done? Answer is yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Tanishka and Pranav, are you done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, why you are showing? Yeah.
Don't see. Solve. How much time? Jaldi, jaldi. This is the
I'm
third.
also
How can you take the
Ma'am,
same?
you spoiled my whole sum.
What?
ma'am, correct.
Spoiled my whole sum.
How?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but I didn't write X. I wrote angle CEA.
I
Ma'am.
specifically said यहाँ पे x दिया है. So you must use the word x, the letter x.
Arey.
ma'am, I was using 180 minus 100.
Correct.
You wrote
Correct?
answer.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was doing subtraction and
Do you
said
have
yeah.
all these steps?
Yes, ma'am. All
Yes,
the
ma'am, I have all these steps.
Yes, all these steps.
But I just didn't write that X thingy.
I'm
Correct.
correct.
I wrote all the steps. I wrote all the steps.
Yes, I wrote all the steps, but I didn't write that X thingy.
Oh,
What is thingy? What is a thingy?
that thing.
No, no, no.
No, let's speak the language of geometry. Okay, we are in a geometry class. The least we can do is speak the language of geometry. No thingy, pingy and all.
65 minus 45 is equals, ma'am, one more sum.
Ma'am, are you giving one more sum?
No.
Yes.
Ma'am, 65 minus 45, one more sum.
Arey, yaar,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am. One more sum. One more
Let
sum.
ma'am give. Oh,
Ma'am, this full thing is taking up one page.
yes, ma'am.
ही सांगितलं फक्त ही सांगितलं केलं खरं सांगितलं
What is
Oh
this?
my god, this is awesome.
Ma'am, because of that wet thing, I can't see that clear.
Subhan, remember we spoke about Rani Rampal in the morning?
Yes.
Don't forget. Don't forget what we learned from that story.
It is shining so bright.
Ma'am, should I draw this?
Yes, my dear, I am not coming there to draw it for you. You only have to draw it.
Ma'am.
Chalo, 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 chalo. Sum is given. Start. You have two and a half minutes.
Ma'am, you didn't write over there
Now,
also.
second wale Vika. Ma'am,
Yes,
after
ma'am.
S, you did wrote.
Yes, you didn't write.
करू का?
Ma'am, other one also you didn't write.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 110 and this is 30. What do you want me to write?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
angle AC and what? Yes. Now the diagram is complete.
now it's complete. Okay.
ABC grade like नंतर
Ma'am, what is there? Huh, it's C, na? Ma'am, I can't see full diagram.
इतना ही है diagram.
and same pinch.
मैम तुम्हें y निकालना है ना?
नहीं X.
Y को निकालना नहीं है. Y को find करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
ढूंढने का है क्या? कहाँ पे गया होगा भाई?
Angular.
हो गया?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
1 minute? I have already finished solving the sum also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1 minute.
my mind.
माइंड में सॉल्व किया, अच्छा है वो। अगर कोई क्विज शो होता तो सही होता, या मेंटल मैथ्स का क्लास होता तो सही होता। हियर तो यू हैव टू राइट एंड शो रे बाबा।
Ma'am got the answer.
Yeah, what is it, Subhan?
Really? Okay, the answer is 40 degrees.
Really means what?
You really only ma'am is asking. Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
40 degrees.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
Have
I
you
got
solved
it.
it with these entire set of steps?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, is
Ma'am, I
this
wrote I.
Is this what?
Is this, ma'am, this is easy peasy, she's saying.
Yeah, but for the last 2 times that I've been giving the same sum as homework, you all are writing one-line answers.
Ma'am, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote angles Z minus 75 because alternate interior angles are always equal. Angle X minus 40 because corresponding angles are always equal. That's how I've been writing.
Next sum. This is the 6th one, right? 5 है या 6 है?
5.
Ma'am, 5. Five. Parallel lines and a transversal.
What is this?
Oh, 2 parallel, 1 transversal.
Again, back to the same trick.
AB and CD are parallel lines. So,
AB and CD are 2 parallel lines which are intersected by a transversal
PS at distinct points Q and R.
point QR.
Ma'am, back to our same question.
copy this much. Jaldi se, within 30 seconds, copy this.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Copy
ma'am.
this in 30 seconds.
Done,
Ma'am, do I
ma'am.
have to write this AB 2 lines and then CD?
You have not written
This means AB is parallel to CD. Copy this in 30 seconds.
Ma'am, you have not written Q के ऊपर का angle.
Have you
Oh,
copied the
Subhan.
diagram?
Yes.
That is P, Subhan, P.
P क्या?
Have you copied the diagram?
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay. My question,
How far time is going on?
What?
my question starts.
Ma'am, should I start?
Ayo.
20 से सब कुछ निकलना है.
Ma'am, what you have written? 2.
Okay.
Yes.
That's not 2. Come on, that's
Now
not
don't
2.
do anything. Just observe what I am doing.
Ma'am,
Children,
easy.
don't write anything. Don't write anything. Just observe what I'm doing. Don't write anything.
What, Pranav? I'm said. No, Pranav. No. Oh, yeah.
साला बिट्टी हो गया है, क्यों हो गया है?
Ma'am, I got the angle.
Pranav,
Ma'am,
I
can
said
can
very
we write?
clearly, don't do anything. Don't write anything. Just watch what I'm doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle PQA is 120. Therefore, BQR is equal to 120 because
It is
they
vertical.
are
They are vertically
The
opposite.
opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically.
And they are arranged.
vertically opposite angles. Okay. Next, I will write angle PQA plus
P-
angle PQB are
Vertically opposite angle. They are supplementary angle.
therefore 120 plus angle PQB is equal to
180.
Angle PQB equals 180 minus 120.
Is equal 60.
160.
got it?
Yes.
Yes. So
Correct?
Okay.
Is this
Yes.
correct?
160.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am,
angle.
should we write the answers?
No, you will keep quiet and watch what I'm doing.
Corresponding angles are always.
Because
They are supplementary. No, sorry.
Vertically opposite
Vertically
angle.
opposite angle.
हाँ अभी मैंने VER लिखने को शुरू किया मतलब फिर तो तुम वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट ही बोलोगे. Right?
Yes.
Thank you. Start copying now.
okay.
Oh, we should start to copy.
now वो डायग्राम में 2 2 2 भी लिखना है क्या?
Start copying.
Copy,
और two
copy
नहीं है.
quietly. Copy करने के लिए सिर्फ हाथ और आंखों की जरूरत है, मुंह की नहीं. To copy, you only need hand and eyes, no mouth.
Ma'am, what you have written after BQR wala line?
This one.
हाँ.
Yesterday was 12:03.
के नीचे.
हाँ.
PQA. PQA.
Thank you for saying.
PQA plus PQB are supplementary. Therefore, 120 plus PQB is equal to 180. Therefore, PQB is equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60.
Ma'am,
Yes.
nothing.
Nothing, na? Then copy fatafat.
मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, बाद में देखा तो आ गया।
क्या समझ
Ma'am,
में
yes.
नहीं आया? नहीं, क्या समझ में नहीं आया?
मैम वो क्यों है क्या वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, बाद में ठीक से देखा तो आ गया।
Ah, okay.
Yesterday was 12th result.
Yes.
We will talk
Ma'am.
about it later. No. Shh. Can we please focus here? Pranav, we'll talk about it later. Quiet. Focus here. Copy this right now.
Done, ma'am.
No, ma'am. मैम देखिए मतलब देख आप अच्छा
Ma'am, can you
When
please
you
move the
write it
hand?
step by step like this, you will be able to understand it better. You can always solve it in the same sequence.
Yes, ma'am.
डन
एक एंगल अगर दिया है तो उसके हिसाब से दूसरा एंगल क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. First find that. Then you can start giving reasons and solve the rest of them.
Ma'am, can you take down?
Copy हो गया?
Of hand I can't see you. That's
Sorry.
See you.
Sorry.
Ma'am, can you press her down?
Can you take your camera a little bit down?
Done, ma'am.
So this is one answer that you found out. This is one answer that you found out.
Yes.
And also this
What
is one
is it?
answer that you found out. Correct?
Which?
We found out 3 angles.
Done.
Please put them in a small thin little box. ऐसे घिस के मोटा सा box नहीं बनाना है. Carton board नहीं बनाना है. Just put a box around it so you know that this angle has been found. So क्या होगा? Even in exam, if you need to highlight the answer, the teacher will quickly go to the box and she will know, acha, this is what they have found.
Okay.
Okay,
Done, ma'am.
Everyone copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone copied?
Yes, ma'am.
The time is going so fast.
Yeah, I thought it's going too slow. मेरे लिए तो हमेशा ही कम पड़ता है.
So fast it's going today. So fast.
Means
हमारा 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा होने आ रहा है क्या हमने 10 मिनट जल्दी नहीं स्टार्ट किया. ओके
अरे तो मैं उसका नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ना जल्दी.
Sum number 6. Are we now made to sum number 6?
Ready?
नॉट रेडी.
You all are solving this, huh? You guys are solving this.
Okay.
What? No. Ma'am, why are all these sums taking one page?
It's oh. तुम आपसे क्या करना तुमने.
Please focus. This must be mentioned. AB is parallel to CD.
पुराना तुम्हें कुछ हो रहा है क्या?
Solve fast.
Ma'am, we have to not find that down 4 angles.
Not now. पहले इसको तो करो.
Okay.
Okay.
I want the steps the same way we did in the previous sum. I want the steps the same way we did in the previous sum.
Ma'am, मैं भूल गया.
Ow.
Ma'am, you don't solve them only for copy it. Now we can. Okay.
Ma'am, please don't write.
Yes, ma'am. अरे चीकू
Chiku.
Ma'am, you have not given two angle. You gave only one angle. You only gave 40 and another you didn't give.
So you will find now what did we do in the previous sum?
Easy, ma'am.
Then why in all the home assignments it was all coming Ada correct, Ada incorrect.
Last Wednesday I was not here, no.
Again excuse. Remember Rani Rampal.
Ooh. Ma'am. Ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, are the Indian hockey really representing in Tokyo 2020 this time?
Can we please focus here?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
Have you done it exactly as per the steps I have given?
Ma'am, do we have to do the down one also?
How many question marks do I have?
3.
So find only 3.
I did.
Have you done it exactly as per the steps I gave in the previous sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's too easy. I got it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sure, ma'am is going to give home assignment. Damn.
Quick, quick, quick.
Ma'am, last. Wait.
One minute, I missed one step.
Oh. Yes.
Is this done?
Done,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no, ma'am. 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
5
2
minutes. 2 minutes.
1 minute.
Oh my god.
Yes,
Ma'am,
my
0
whole answer
seconds.
is correct, but I'm checking if my something is wrong or what. 40.
I want to correct. I am correct.
Oh.
Oh,
assignment of biology.
What?
When you will send the home assignment of biology?
When do I send it? I always send it after school is done, no? Have you completed the sum?
Yes.
Yeah.
Has everyone completed the sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, my whole sum was correct.
Ma'am erased it. Ma'am erased it. Ayo. Oh, ma'am erased the full thing.
Ma'am, my sum was full correct. In 1 minute, we have to do
Oh
this.
my god.
Ma'am, in 1 minute, we have to do one
What?
sum.
Ma'am, we just did the last sum.
Ma'am, we don't have enough time
Change
to do this.
full diagram.
Those who feel they don't have enough time, they can leave and run.
No,
Those
ma'am.
who intend to sit and solve, please sit back and solve quietly.
Who tell who don't have time?
No,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Change की.
Yes.
Suban.
ठीक है, it's okay.
Arey, why are you taking my name always?
पहले ये 4 निकालो.
Do this sum in 1 minute.
Ma'am is giving angle. Ma'am.
मैम हमने डायग्राम को भी ऊपर ले लिया.
I am going to solve it. I am going to solve it. Just quietly watch what I'm doing.
Ma'am, I already started solving.
Yes, I also.
मैम
Okay,
वो
I will
एक के
solve.
बाजू में क्या है? PO क्या है वो? PO. What is that PO? Okay, 120 it is.
क्या निकालना है? ये निकालना है, ये निकालना है.
निकालना कुछ भी नहीं है, फाइंड करना है.
हाँ. Done.
Ma'am, what have you written? Angle DRS or angle CRS?
Ma'am, DRS.
Yes, it is.
Which is vertically opposite.
DRS.
So then you shouldn't even ask this question.
Where is my pens? Got it.
Ma'am.
Angle PQ.
Angle CRS.
इतना क्या लिखना है? And it is
B.
Ma'am, can you do it a bit more down?
Corresponding. Ma'am, you can take little bit up your camera.
Now you can take little bit down.
Done, ma'am.
अब पूरा दिख रहा है ये नीचे नहीं हाँ देख
Done, ma'am.
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done.
नो मैम
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we will have in sports day?
We'll have sports in sports day.
But which sports? Running.
Are we having sports? Are we having sports day now?
Ma'am,
No.
because
क्यों?
मैम वेट जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग इट 120
Done, ma'am.
as money. Go.
Ma'am, what happened? Your screen is stopped.
No, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
No.
Yeah. Ma'am, 10 minutes time is done.
You are in a hurry, you can leave.
No.
Has everyone copied?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
मैम लास्ट वन प्रणव खुद का है तो मुझसे क्यों बातें कर रहा है भी नहीं करने दे रहा है
तनिष्का हो गया?
मैम ये प्रणव की वजह से नहीं हो रहा है मेरा
Don't give me excuses.
मैम,
यूं ही एक्सक्यूज नहीं दिया करो. Done.
Ma'am, every day after class, no.
Are
ma'am,
we
what's
done
that?
copying?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done.
no मैम
So Tanishka, why are you bothering what Pranav is doing? You just have to look here and copy, no?
Ma'am, no.
Everyone is copying from the board. उसने नहीं दिया मतलब क्या? दोनों तो एक ही स्क्रीन से कॉपी कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, no. Korea, South Korea. Germany.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Tanishka, are you done copying?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ऐसे बोलो भी ना, तुम्हारे लिए वेट कर रहे हैं तो हो गया है, वो भी तो बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं?
अभी हुआ मैम, अभी हुआ.
ओके, copy this sum everyone. Copy this sum. Quickly copy.
Ma'am, are you sure this is the last sum?
Quickly copy the sum.
Ma'am,
What?
in angle QRC, you have not given question mark. Do we have to put the question mark? Huh, ma'am? Okay, okay.
Copied? ये sum copy हो गया? Have you all copied this sum? Copy the next sum.
माइक ओपन करा दी तुझ्या फोनचा.
Kanishka,
Ma'am, I was not written that sum.
okay. Pranav, have you copied it?
Yes.
So show it to her. There's no need to make a fuss like this.
सबको ऐसा करना है ना. Ma'am, wait. Give me first.
Copied this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
So these last two sums are your homework.
No, ma'am.
अरे
These
Okay.
last two sums that I've given are your homework.
okay.
First sum is easy.
Second is also easy.
Ma'am,
Let's see. Yes.
ma'am, we don't have to find angle BQR.
You need
B
to
for
find
ball.
X and Y. You need to find X and Y. Let's see how you find X and Y.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Is this easy?
और
Is
आर
this
के नीचे
easy?
जो वही
Yes,
रखा
very
है.
Is
easy.
this easy?
Yes.
Yes, simple.
Very, very easy.
Good. Let's make it a little complicated.
Ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not easy.
It's hard.
Ma'am, it's not easy
It's
now.
very
Ma'am, it's
hard.
not easy.
Yeah, now it might be hard. Let's see.
Ma'am, now,
Let's see if it is as hard as a rock
ma'am,
or as easy as just chewing some chewing gum.
No.
Why?
No.
ma'am, what is that angle?
You have to find X,
R.
Y, and the center wala Z.
Ma'am.
If you all use logic, you can find everything fatafat.
Why? But why you did that?
Ma'am, do we have to solve it now?
I said no, this is home assignment.
Ma'am, AQB is supplementary. It's forming supplementary.
Yeah. So think it is so easy.
Yes, it's so simple.
You know the list. Then think what is this?
180 minus 75 minus 75.
1 minute. What will be this?
It will be see. It will
Ye
be.
kya hoga? What will be this?
Ma'am, 75.
Why?
75.
Why?
Vertically opposite angles
75.
are always equal.
This is vertically opposite.
Alternative opposite. Interior alternative opposite. And
What
उसके
is
नीचे
interior
का भी
alternative
75
opposite?
नहीं.
Oh my God, children. This
Interior
is
alternate angle.
alternate.
Alternative angle.
Nothing for it to be
Interior
vertically opposite. It has to be here and here. It cannot be here and here. They have to be at the same point.
Alternative.
Vertically opposite.
Sorry.
Shush. They have to be around the same point to be vertically opposite. If they are here and here, what are they?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, interior alternate angles.
So, if this is 75, what is this?
75.
Yes, Subhan, is this what you solved from 1 to 4 sums? If this is 75, this is also 75.
No, I think
no ma'am.
If this is 75, what is this?
105.
15. Sorry, 105, 105, 105.
Why 105? Why 105?
Ma'am, because they are supplementary.
Thank you.
C and D are supplementary angles.
Yeah. So X and Y are supplementary angles.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 75 and Y are what? Interior alternate angles.
This is
Yes.
So if this is 75, this is 75. What is Z?
Ma'am, I know.
At least tell me
180
the
minus
method.
180 minus 105.
What is 105?
Sorry.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, 30.
How did you
Yes.
get 30?
180 minus 150.
Ma'am, because A and B are
Correct. And
supplementary
why are you
angles.
doing
70.
180 minus? Why are you doing 180 minus 150?
Because 75
Because
plus 75 equals 50. Because they are supplementary.
May always
Subhan,
equal.
Subhan, you are awfully quiet. तुम एकदम अजीब सा चुपचाप हो. तुम यहाँ पे ध्यान दोगे तो ये लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं तुमको समझ में आएगा. वरना फिर से कुछ भी तुम करके भेजोगे.
Ma'am, who?
Why are you lost? Why are you lost in dreams? तुम्हें कब से जल्दी है घर जाने की? तुम घर पे ही तो हो. यहाँ पे तो ध्यान दो. I'm asking questions and helping in solving. Arhan, go out of his class. Okay. When I am actually helping you solve the questions over here, then why are you sitting and dreaming? Subhan, tell me. This is 75. What is this?
Ma'am, 75 because it is interior alternative angle.
So if this is 75, what is this?
Ma'am, 115 because it is supplementary angle.
What is this?
Z is equals to 30 because 150 minus 180.
What is 150 minus 180? How did you get 150? How did you get 150? Subhan, you are saying this is 180 minus 150. How did you get 150 over here?
Ma'am, can I
Ranveer, how
tell?
did you get? You look at the tubelight, you will not get 150. You have to look at the sum. Ranveer, how did you get 150 here?
Ma'am, 75 plus 75.
Why are you doing 75 plus 75? Simple. Didn't we do this sum right at the start? Did we do this kind of sum right at the start or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because they're supplementary, that's why we are doing 75 plus 75.
We are doing this 75 plus 75 because these are three angles are supplementary angles. Hence, this is 180. तो अगर ये दोनों है तो 180 से माइनस करोगे. Subhan, this is what happens if you suddenly are lost. Okay, so you guys have two sums to be solved today.
Yes. ma'am.
I am going to give you a third sum. Let me see if you can solve it or not.
Ma'am, we
Last
want to
sum
solve
for
it.
the day. Shush. Last sum for the day.
Oh my god, what must I have?
I'm not supposed to start.
Question 10.
Copy the sum.
What is
Copy the sum.
x plus x6
Wait.
Ma'am, I don't understand the sum only.
Yes, ma'am. What is this?
What did I
X
say?
plus
What
x.
is it?
What did I say? Copy the sum.
Done, ma'am.
Copy it.
Ma'am, it's gonna be tough.
I know that.
So tough. Tough.
If you tell me you don't know how to solve the sum, I will actually go and ask question to Bhumika teacher whether you all have done solving X or not.
Ma'am, we have done solving only 1x, not 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay, fine. No worries. Let's only solve 1x.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
No
It's fine. It's
problem.
fine.
Solve only 1x. No issues.
No, ma'am, we'll solve 2. We'll solve 2. I'll solve 2. 2.
Solve. Write this. Write this sum. If you are saying that कि 2x नहीं किया है, my God, that's such a big problem. No worries.
Ma'am,
Let's do this.
नहीं 2x किया है.
Can we just
Ma'am.
be quiet? I think there's too much talking happening. Can you all copy this sum? I know you all have done X wale sums. So solve this. I need submission by 6 p.m. Submission 6 बजे तक आना चाहिए. चलो. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day. You have a lot of homework today. Chalo, tata, bye bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bhago,
Bye.
bhago, bhago.